Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
2 months after the Delta State government awarded contract for the construction of 3 flyover bridges and road expansion projects around Warri axis, the state government, in conjunction with Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, last Monday performed the groundbreaking ceremony for the commencement of the project. The 3 flyover bridges and road expansion projects, expected to be completed in 27 months, was awarded for 78 billion naira in fulfillment of Governor Sheriff Oborevwori's pledge to give Warri, the commercial capital of the state, a facelift.
Today filled with joy and excitement as we begin the process of giving Warri the desired facelift with this groundbreaking ceremony, which signals the commencement of construction of 4 key projects in the Warri metropolis.
In September this year, the Delta State Executive Council, under the leadership of Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, awarded a 78 billion naira contract for the construction of 3 flyover bridges and road expansion project around the Warri axis of the state to Julius Berger Nigerian PLC, which was followed by a formal signing of a deal with the construction company in October. The governor and captain of the Timor agenda, Right Honorable Oborevwori, received a rousing welcome from a MAMODE crowd who could not contain their excitement as he officially flagged off the construction of the awarded project last Monday. The governor noted that the project will ease the burden of commuters and improve the socio-economic fortunes of the people around Warri axis and the state in general.
These projects also ease the traffic congestion in the area and alleviates the hardship faced by commuters. There will be direct employment opportunities for our people, especially engineers.
For his part, the managing director of Julius Berger Nigerian PLC, Dr. Lars Richter, assured the governor and Deltans that they would deliver a good job according to specifications of the contract.
The 3 flyovers, the expressway, including interchange and roundabout, will be delivered within 27 months construction time. And Julius Berger will deliver as promised.
Some residents who spoke to Inside the Niger Delta said the construction of the flyovers at popular NRM Junction, PTI Junction and DSC Roundabout, as well as the road expansion project, is a welcome development.
This project will definitely reduce the residents in this place, and we pray that to see the completion of this project within the shortest time.
This project will not just bring beauty, but it will bring free flow of movement here.
After the groundbreaking ceremony in Warri, the governor and his team proceeded to Asaba, where a Thanksgiving service was held to celebrate the recent victory at the appeal court sitting in Lagos, where the suit filed by the candidates of All Progressive Congress, Social Democratic Party and Labour Party challenging Governor Oborevwori's victory in the March 18 governorship election were dismissed for lack of merit. Speaking at the event, Governor Oborevwori, who said the victory was for all Deltans, promised to continue to improve the lives and livelihood of all Deltans.
It's a victory for democracy, it's a victory for the rule of law. And I want to reiterate my commitment to continue to be a servant leader.
Inside the Niger Delta,